Good morning, friends. Sitting in the living room last night, catching up on the Murdaugh saga on Netflix. I don't know why I keep watching that. My mind drifted off to thinking of cooler weather, imagine that, and all things associated. I remembered that I had made egg rolls a week or so ago and that I still had wrappers in the refrigerator. And I started wondering, I wonder how the warm Thanksgiving meal flavors would be in an egg roll wrapper. So I'm in the kitchen this morning to test just that. Let's get started. As you can see, I've gathered all my Thanksgiving meal ingredients around me. I grabbed an egg roll wrapper and started layering in my ingredients. Now bear in mind, this is deli turkey meat, which is not what I would have if it was Thanksgiving, and it's stovetop stuffing in that bowl that you see, which is not what I would have at Thanksgiving. I like to make my own homemade dressing, cornbread dressing at that. But I just started layering little bits of these ingredients in my egg roll wrapper. I've got a slice of turkey rolled up, I've got some stuffing, I put a few green beans, and I even put some of the little crispy fried onions because of having crispy fried onions in a green bean casserole a lot at Thanksgiving. And then I topped it off with a little bit of, cranberry sauce, which I'm not a big fan of, but it was good in this. Then you just wrap up your egg roll. I wet the corners a little bit so it would stick better. And just keep going until you wrap them all up. Now just start dropping them in your oil, 3 and 4 at the time, till they get golden brown. I believe I had my grease somewhere between 350 and 375. 350 seemed to work best for me. Now as you can see, I was playing around while I was waiting on these to fry. I mixed up some pumpkin pie filling and put that in my egg roll wrappers. Now that was delicious. Now do you see what I have in those dipping bowls right there on the plate? One is cranberry sauce, the other is turkey gravy. Now you talk about good. Dip that roll in that turkey gravy and you may as well be sitting at your Thanksgiving table. This really is a simple recipe and I would encourage you to give it a try. And I don't see why you can't use pretty much any meal, any leftovers from a meal in this fashion. The only thing you'll want to be wary of is anything that's hard or prickly that will tear that little tender egg roll wrapper. But anyway, y'all give this recipe a try. Let me know how you like it. Let me know what you do with egg roll wrappers. And I will talk to y'all later.